pressure here. The blockers are coming back. That's a booming punt. But inside the 20 to the 18, a 58-yard punt from Borie. Wow. O'Shea Williams back to return. Takes a friendly Hoover bounce and a good save just shy of the goal line. A 45-yard punt and the Borie getting set to punt away. Not much pressure from Colquitt. And a booming punt. 45-yard punt and a 4-yard return. Good punt. 38-yard punt. Fair catch signal. Good pooch punt. Hoover's back ready to cover. Down to the 9-yard line. 29-yard pooch punt.
Phenomenal last night as well. I mean, all of them played great.
32-yard punt. And nice solid kick. And Dan Mullen is already offered. This year. Hooks up with Hutchison. For the extra point. 2-score lead for Hoover. There's Borie, 6'1" senior. Still getting some congrats on the sideline. Very much well earned. The punters don't get enough love.
No, they don't get enough love, but he's doing a great job tonight.